In class 7th, chapter using Excel as database, we are going to cover the following topics. First, using form to enter data in Excel. Second, adding new record in a form. And third, searching a record using form. So let's start. Good morning class. Now this tutorial is for class 7th. In class 7th, we are learning the chapter that is using Excel as database. So our today's topic is how we can use the Excel software, Microsoft Excel software as database. And the first thing we are going to learn in this is how we can use a form to enter the data in MS Excel. We don't enter the data directly in spreadsheet, but we will use a form to enter the data. So let's start. For this, first we will open our Excel software. Okay, here is our Excel software. Let me just maximize it a little so that you can have a better look. Fine. Now see, this is our worksheet in MS Excel where we actually work. Now when we have to use a form, we need to create the heading first. We cannot directly use a form to enter the data, but first what we will do, we will create the column headings in which we have to enter the data. So let's create the column heading. Now suppose for first column I am writing serial number, then in second class, section, then phone and address. Okay, so these are the 5 headings I have prepared: serial number, then class, section, phone, address. And let me just add one more column here for name, important part. Okay, for serial number we will reduce the column size, and for other will increase the column size. For class also we can reduce, and section also. Okay, now let me change the fonts. I'm making it 4 times New Roman, 12, bold, align it at the center. Perfect. Now let me, suppose we have to enter 5 records here. Now on the home tab you will find a button here in the font group that will give you the borders around this way. Okay, so we have completed with our table part. We have created the table and we have also created the column heading. Now the most important thing is how to get that form by which we will insert the data in our Excel sheet. Now to use a form, what you need to do, first we will insert the form button, because you will not find the form button anywhere here. Suppose I go to insert, so you will not find it. Insert, then in the insert tab or page layout tab, you will not find that form button anywhere. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the office button, click on the office button and then look for the Excel options. Click on this Excel option. Now customize, click on customize. Now from here, see, choose command from. What you need to do, it is given, it is popular command. So in popular command you will not find that form. So what you need to do, click here and select all commands. In the choose commands from, select all commands. Now after selecting this all commands, we need to add form So you have to, these are alphabetically arranged, so go for F. Yes, so I have clear, this is F part, file name. Then I have to go for, look here and see form. So click on this form option here and click on add button. So as soon as you click on this add button, this form will add to your quick access toolbar, and then click on OK. Now see here on the quick access toolbar you will find this form button. Now when I am using this form button directly, so what's saying, the command could not be completed by using the range specified. Select a single cell within the range and try the command again. Now this means that we have not selected our part where we actually want to insert the data. So what we need to do, first we will select all the column headings or the range in which we have to enter the record or data. You select it and then you click on the form button. It will give you another option, another message that Microsoft Excel cannot determine which row in your list or selection contain column labels which are required for this command. You click on OK and you will find a form here. Okay, you will find a form here. So let me just bring it below so that we can have a better look of our worksheet. Now serial number I am entering here 1, name, then class, suppose it's 10, section A, phone number and address. So we have entered how many record? 1 record we have entered. Now click enter, either press the enter key from the keyboard, or you can click on the new record button. So I am clicking here on the new record button, new. So as soon as you click on the new, the record which you have entered will be entered in the Excel worksheet. See. Now serial number 2, class, section, phone number, then address, now I am pressing the enter key. I have not clicked here on the new button. What I have used the enter key. Now serial number 3, name, class, section, phone number, address, enter. Serial number 4, name, class, section, address, serial number 5, name, class, phone, address, and enter. So this way what we have done, we have entered all the record using form. Is that clear? I hope you understand how you can insert the record, the data in Excel using form. What you need to do first, you need to create the column headings. Without column headings you won't be able to enter the records or data in Excel. First you will create the column headings and then you will select those column headings, like suppose I have selected this, and then click on the form button on the quick access toolbar. Clear? Now see, our next part is, that is how we can add new record in a form. Like suppose we have added 5 record, how we can add a new record in form. So select this particular data, then click on and select new. Now serial number 6, name, class, section, phone, address, enter. Clear? This is the way how you can add a new record in your form. You can enter as many as record you want. It is not necessary that once you have entered or I have closed this, you cannot enter more record in your form. If you want to enter more records in your form, or you want to enter a new record in your form, so what you need to do, just click this complete table, okay, and then click on the insert form button and click on new. Then serial number 7, class, section A, phone number, then address, enter. Clear? So I hope this thing is clear to you all. Once again I will tell you how you can use that form button, how you can insert that form button on your quick access toolbar. So as of now I am removing this from the quick access toolbar so that I can tell you how you can insert that form button. First what you need to do, just click on the office button, then click on the Excel option at the bottom, go to customize. In the choose command from, select all commands and then look for the letter F, from where the F is starting. F is starting from here. Then look for form. Here it is. Click on this form option and click on add button so that it can be added on quick access toolbar, and click on OK. So here it is. Got it? So what we have covered till now, we have covered how you can use form to enter data in your worksheet, how you can add a new record, like just now we have added this Sambhav record in using form. This is a new record. Now the another part is that how you can search a particular record. Now suppose you want to search a particular record, so what you need to do, just click here, select all the data, go to this form and find criteria. Click on the criteria button, okay, and then suppose I want all the record with the name Sambhav, enter. After writing the name, you press the enter key. Now see, all the record of this Sambhav has been shown here. Means the serial number, that is 7, it is matching here. Then class 10th matching again. Then section A, then phone number is also matching and the address is also matching. So this is how you can search a particular record, because we just have only 6-7 record here in our data, so this is visible to us easily. But suppose you have more than 1000, 2000, 5000 record in your Excel sheet and you want to search a particular record from that. So what you can do, you just select the table heading, the column headings, okay. You don't need to select all the 1500 or 2000 record. Okay, just select the column headings, then click on the form button on the quick access toolbar. You will get this option. Now what you need to do, click on this criteria button. Okay, where you have to click on the criteria button, and then look for the, suppose I want to search for a particular record. Okay, now see, I have just entered a serial number and that has been shown. Again I am telling you, if you want to search a single record from all the data you have there in the table, what you need to do, select the data complete. Okay, select all the data, then click on the form button, then click on criteria. Now suppose we want to search for serial number 4, so I, in serial number 4 column, I will enter 4 and press the enter key. So on serial number form we have Daksh, then class 10, section B. Now mobile number is also matching and address. Clear? Okay, so this is the thing we will we have to discuss today in this tutorial. In our next class we will be coming up with a new options, new feature in your Excel. Till then, what you can do, class 7th, you can practice this at your home. Okay, whatever I have taught you just now, how to insert the data using form, how to insert the form button on quick access toolbar, then how you can add a new record using form, and then last is how you can search a particular record using form. So you can practice all these options in Excel. Till then, you stay at home, stay safe and enjoy your e-learning. Thank you.